So it's already, what time is it? Around 3 and so but yeah, baka nagigatnas ngayon. So guys, nandito na kami sa first stop. Okay. Hi! This is the Selfie Island. Kabugaw. Kabugaw? Hindi ko alam. Ang hirap. Ba't may entrance? So here's the look. The island. Anong gusto mo po? Sexy Ate Jaws. So it's Kabugaw Island. Nandun yung famous selfie something. So yeah, we'll be taking pictures here. So here's the look of the island. Pag lumakad tayo, parang guys, ang laki ng problema. Nakahupadera ako pero ako lang. Hupadera din naman.
Kita niyo ba yan? Tropa namin yan. Tatandoy model yan.
Dito kami sa Kabugaw Island. So this is a selfie island ng Gigantes. So we're just waiting for our turn dun sa pinaka-spot talaga ng selfie, which is there. So
Loud pa yan para mag-keep ka. O single lens yun.
Naka-single lens. Aray. Okay. So we're going na dun sa may top nung isang rock formation dito, and that's the highlight of the Gigantes tour. Sabi nila, if wala kang picture dyan, wala kang puso na Gigantes ka. So parang that's the famous selfie spot here in Gigantes. Hope we take a lot of good pictures.
Kasi wala sa brain ko. Tapos ako yung mukhang isda. Tayo na. Baka magulat. Sa taas ko yung camera. Baka hindi sa'yo. Baka magulat ka eh. Dito. Picture mo.
Para tayo. Isa lang pupuntahan.
Kailangan na filter. Because it's already filtered. Why? Very init dito. Saan na tayo? Nasaan tayo lugar?
Kabuyaw.
So,
Kabugaw Gamay.
Kabugaw Gamay, the Selfie Island.
Of the Philippines.
And then, yun na yung last station dito sa island na to. So, yun yung like famous selfie spot daw. Kasi sinasabi nila kuya. So hot! Okay ka. Kahit hot. Ikaw naman ang hot mama.
Wow. Huwag kang papatalo, mas hot.
Tanduay girl.
Huwag kang papatalo, mas
Change
hot.
branding na daw siya next time.
Kulay green
Ayun.
na siya mamaya. Pag-ulam mo sa laptop.
We're next on the line. The famous selfie doll. Gigantes. Oh my god, so nice. So, yan. Ito yung island.
After lunch.
sorry. Ivy will do the transition. Sabi mo din, Titan ako dito. Sorry. Everything, with everything in love. It's a verse. So, vision one. Here you go.
Nagiging uwak. Ako. Ganda. Dito tayo. Dito tayo kayo. Diretso? Gitna. Ikot muna tayo habang nakapit. Dito dapat ipagod.
So, we're here sa Sandbar. Gigantes Sandbar ng Swanberg ng Gigantes. So, here's Ivy taking picture. So, it's 100 meters long. It's kind of high tide today, so we just see a little bit of Sandbar. But yeah, here it is. So, yan. Sabi ko, so here's the look ng ating mag-extend the So, here's Ate Jols. Just, sorry, her. On the end of the sunset. You see guys, it's 100 meters long, but since it's high tide, it's just, ito lang yung nag-abutan namin. Punta kayo.
Yes. Yun lang ang bag namin dito.
Okay, bye! See you on the next island!
Hi! So now we're here on our third island, which is called the Crocodile Tail Island. Because the rock formation looks like a crocodile tail. That's it. Let's see if we can get a lot of good pictures from here. Hi!
So we're here at the third stop of the island of Haping. This is the crocodile tail they're calling, but yeah, here's our two bosses, boss madam. So Ate Jos, kumaway ka sa 360 mo. Baka maging vlog ko to. Actually, yes, it's not vlog.
Ocean. Beach. Beach na ito. Hindi ko kaya. Walang, ang grabe yung silaw pagka may wala kang salamin. So this is Antonias.
Yes.
Kay Antonias Beach. So, third island hopping namin. So, I'm gonna give you a glimpse of what's in it for beach. Video pala si Ate Jones. Mahama ka. Sa gabal tayo. Hello. So, yan. Ito kami sa rock formation ng like a crocodile. Okay, tangkilag din. So, we'll be getting here yung some videos, yeah. Go to Joel's.
Bata ka namin.
Yeah. Nice. Nice naman yung place here, but it's so hot. Like, freaking hot. Wow, we're freaking hot. Okay, dadalhin kami ni Kuya on a rock formation. Maganda daw. So, Ate Jo will do the honor.
Ay, B, mauna ka. Tanggalin mo yan. Galingan mo.
Okay? May mga tricks si Kuya. Nasa loob ka ng so, magta-standby ice cream.
Wala naman kayong mahalagang naiwan.
Ang dami. Buhay namin to Joss nandun. So, yeah. It's so hot. So, dito tayo.